Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit shorter. It's just going to be like a blue nail art tutorial. I've already filmed like my whole process of like how I apply the tips. So I just want to focus on mostly application, but as you can see here, I put on some sunscreen, wiped off the tips with some alcohol, and then right after I'm going to be putting my base color for the French tip, which is this stunning like pink color. I'm just going in here with a very thin layer because I want to make sure once my fingers go under the lamp, like that gel is fully cured. I'm going to cure my tips for 60 seconds to make sure that that gel polish is fully cured. I don't care how opaque a polish appears to be. I am scared of contact dermatitis, and I always go in with 2 layers of polish just because it looks better, like the opacity, and plus it just makes that nail stronger. Now I'm going to be going in with my Après gel polish. I forgot the color of this one, but it's like this perfect like baby blue. And this is the color I'm going to be using on 4 of my nails for the French tips. This is a really opaque nail polish, so I'm just making sure to go in with like the thinnest layers. I totally forgot to film this, but after I had cured that first layer of gel polish, I went in with a second layer and cured that for 90 seconds, just because, like I said, this is a very opaque polish. Okay, so I'm just sifting through my little nail art sticker book I got from AliExpress. Well, the stickers I got individually from AliExpress, and the sticker book I also got from AliExpress, and I chose the ones I looked at the Murakami like smiley flower, and I absolutely love these. I'm only putting them on my ring finger just because I want that cute accent nail, and the theme is going to be light blue petals just to match the French tips. I'm gonna go in with my Gao top coat. This is like my ultimate favorite. Like, I've noticed in previous videos that you don't need to have a favorite top coat, like, but I was wrong. This is like one of the best ones. So yeah, I just go in with like a nice thin layer and then cure that for 30 seconds in the lamp. Then I'm going to go in with a really inexpensive cuticle oil that I bought from AliExpress. And I put like about like 2 layers of that on my cuticles, rub that in, and voila! Thank you for watching, guys. Bye!